Descriptive statistics are the basic tools we use to summarize and understand datasets. They help us make sense of raw numbers by providing meaningful summaries and visualizations. Our framework consists of 8 key areas. First, understanding different data types. Then measures of center and spread. We'll examine data position and distribution shapes. Visualization techniques bring data to life. Finally, exploratory analysis helps discover patterns. Let's briefly introduce each component. We'll explore them in detail in subsequent videos. Data comes in different forms, categorical like colors, or numerical like temperatures. We'll learn to classify data properly before analysis. Central tendency measures where data clusters. The mean gives the average, median the middle value, and mode the most frequent value. Dispersion measures how spread out data is. Range shows total spread, while standard deviation measures typical distance from the mean. Position measures show where values stand relative to others. Percentiles rank positions, while z-scores measure distance from mean in standard deviations. Distributions organize data values by frequency. Tables and charts like histograms help visualize how values are distributed. Distribution shape reveals symmetry and outliers. Skewness measures asymmetry, while kurtosis shows tail heaviness compared to normal distribution. Effective visualization communicates data insights quickly. Different charts serve different purposes for categorical vs numerical data. Exploratory analysis helps discover patterns, anomalies and relationships before formal modeling through visual and statistical methods. This is how our series will progress. We'll build from fundamental concepts to practical applications. Each video will focus on one component with detailed explanations and real-world examples. In our next session, we'll begin with the foundation, understanding different types of data. This crucial first step informs all subsequent analysis decisions.